Hello there, welcome back. Do your teams find it tedious and lose time while toggling between CRM screens and Cisco Webex? Worry not. Vtiger now integrates with Cisco Webex to collaborate and communicate faster and thus driving up team productivity. Let us see how Webex and Vtiger CRM integration benefits you and your organization. View and share your tasks, contacts, deals, and cases directly from Webex team spaces. Get your day's agenda from the Vtiger bot. Get contact, deal, case, or task information by searching in Vtiger bot. First, let us see how you can install the Vtiger CRM in Webex. Log into your Webex account. Click on Apps. Search for Vtiger. Click Add to add Vtiger. This adds Vtiger CRM to your Webex account. Now let us see the actions you can do in Webex. You can share contact or deal cards with your colleagues directly within a Spaces conversation. From the Chat tab in Teams, you can send commands to the Vtiger bot to retrieve information from the CRM. Choose My Agenda to view all your upcoming meetings for the day. Type Search Contacts, enter the contact name, phone number, or email address to search for a contact. For example, search Contacts Jesse. Type Search Deals, enter the deal name to search for the deal you have to follow up on. For example, search Deals Security Surveillance. Next, let us see how you can activate Webex meetings in Vtiger CRM. To use the Webex meetings in Vtiger CRM, you must install the conference extension. As a note, you must have admin privileges. Sign into your CRM account. Click the user menu on the top right corner and select Settings. Select Extensions. Click on the Extension Store. Look for the conference. You can schedule meetings without leaving the CRM. Host sales demos, training sessions, weekly sales meetings, and other events with just a click. You can schedule a Webex meeting from individual contact or deal records. When the event is marked as held, Vtiger automatically updates the participant status as joined in the CRM's event record. In addition to this, Vtiger stores the meeting recording link in the event record. You should now be all set to begin using Webex and Vtiger CRM integration. Thanks for watching this video.